On today's menu, a recipe that's positively gorgeous. Delicious spaghetti with chili oil and chanterelles. Lei Hong Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. These noodles are delicious, creamy, smoky, and really easy to make. Let's begin. Six to 7 pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. One onion, finely chopped. These guys here are beautiful chanterelle mushrooms. I really only use these for special occasions like when we cook together. Now we won't actually need these until a little bit later in the recipe, but we're just going to brush the dirt off with a little bit of a damp paper towel. The chanterelles can tend to be a little sandy, so be sure to take the time to brush them off. Sauté pan. Medium heat. This is what's going to give it that spicy, smoky flavor. This is an amazing, easy to make chili oil I made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Onions. Garlic. Saute for 6 to 7 minutes. Really take the time to sweat out the onions. 2 teaspoons salt. 1.5 cups raw cashews. Saute for a few minutes. 2.5 cups water. Stir and cook for another couple of minutes. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender. Blend on high until liquefied. Cooking the cashews in the pan will help soften them up and help them blend real smooth. Man, that looks incredibly creamy. Now this sauce, I would say, makes about 3 to even 4 portions worth, but just for today's episode, I'm just cooking 1 portion for myself. Allow the sauce to completely cool, then keep in the fridge for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Bring the sauté pan back to medium heat. Chanterelles. Dry sauté the mushrooms for 4 to 5 minutes. This will help the mushrooms get some color and bring out that nutty, earthy flavor. 1 tablespoon chili oil. Pinch of salt. Fresh cracked pepper to taste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn the heat off and set aside. You can heat the mushrooms back up in the oven right before plating. Cook the pasta for about a minute less to package instructions. In this episode, I'm using about a 1/4 pound of spaghetti. Remember to stir the noodles occasionally. When the pasta is close to being done, heat the sauté pan back to medium heat. Deglaze the pan with about a 1/3 cup of pasta water. Carefully transfer over the spaghetti. About 1 cup of the cream sauce. Give the pasta a quick stir, then turn the heat off. You can add a little bit of water if the sauce looks too thick. Plate the spaghetti generously. Fresh cracked pepper, a few leaves of fresh basil. And of course, don't forget about those luxurious chanterelles. You can now enjoy this delightful spaghetti with absolute confidence. Man, this just looks incredibly delightful. I think you've guessed it, that is so flavorful. Is definitely a party I'd like to attend. Visually, you have these stunning looking charred chanterelle mushrooms, and then you have that beautiful pop of green color, and the noodles are just wrapped in this velvety, creamy, really nice and garlicky kind of sauce. That chili oil in the sauce provides a little bit of that spiciness, that really nice smokiness, and that really nice sort of caramelized onion flavor. Those chanterelles are just extraordinary. They really absorb that deliciousness from the chili oil, that smokiness, the spiciness, and it's just a bomb of umami. They also add this incredible earthy flavor as well as this beautiful golden color. Those chanterelles naturally have this really nice buttery flavor and texture, so it goes really well with this nice thick kind of smooth creamy sauce. Definitely one of those recipes that's easy to make, easy to substitute with other ingredients, and boy, that is really packed with flavor. Like I always say on the channel, it's simple, easy, and delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely check out, pick up your copy, or take a sneak peek inside one of the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks. Check out the Young Men Cooking merch or plant-based sushi masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all those things. And if you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so you won't miss a single episode.